Hey guys, wanted to do a quick Merry Christmas to all of you guys. Definitely appreciate everything you do watching the videos and commenting and stuff. And wanted to give a quick shout out to Addam at Addam's Playground for the nice Christmas card. Really appreciate it, bud. And got a couple that I'm still getting ready to send out. I've been kind of under the weather here lately, so I haven't got it much done. But wanted to show you guys something cool. I got these raised white letter Firestones that were already done like that. It's nice because I'm working on a Gator McCleskey brown Ford LTD, and it had the white raised raised white letter tires. So anyway, I got them from the guys over at Auto World, and was pretty surprised when I got the box. I got the catalog too, and 2024 catalog, and these things are normally $10, so pretty darn cool catalog, man. It goes through a lot of their different stuff. They got diecasts, they got slot cars. I mean, you name it, these guys got it. They got the 1/18th scale diecast, 1/64 scale. And these guys have really got some cool stuff. They got a whole lot of 1/64th, 1/87 scale HO for train tracks. The scale stuff for that. And then the part that I like the most, they got the 1/24th and 1/25th scale model cars. Man, those are sweet. Got all kinds of cool stuff. So, up to Star Wars and UFOs and all kinds of stuff. Pretty neat. I'm getting photobombed. Yeah, so anyway, just wanted to show you guys this catalog. It's really cool. Like I said, hell, they even got Tester's paint. You name it, they got it. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I was glad to get that in the mail when I just ordered a set of tires. I got that big old catalog, so that was pretty cool. But anyway, like I said, thanks for the awesome card, Addam. Definitely check out his channel, Addam's Playground. And thanks a lot, everybody. Merry Christmas, and I hope Santa brought you a whole lot of fun model kits and RC stuff and whatnot to make it a heck of a 2024. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.